Now is the ideal time to prepare for spring, and a great addition to any home is a lush green lawn. Natural green grass gives your home and garden new life. No matter where you live or what you like to do in your garden, our farmers will have a lawn variety that suits your home and lifestyle. Our Australia-wide network of more than 100 myhomeTURF farmers work year-round to have premium, fresh turf ready for your home, and there's no better time than spring to be laying a new lawn. Let's have a look at where your premium lawn comes from. Our grass is nurtured in the field by myhomeTURF farmers for up to 12 months to be ready to be laid at your home. Did you know that when our farmers harvest grass for a lawn, they leave behind ribbons of turf which regenerate into next year's lawn for harvest? Our farmers grow the ideal varieties for your local conditions and lifestyle. Harvesting turf requires special machinery that either cuts the turf into rolls or handy slabs and then stacks it onto pallets to be delivered direct to your home. myhomeTURF farmers harvest daily to meet customer needs, which keeps the turf fresh and ready to go. To get the best results, it's important to prepare your soil before laying your lawn. For more important tips on how to prepare for your lawn, visit myhomeTURF.com.au. Our farmers are delivering daily from the farm to you. Trucks are fitted with forklifts so they can easily unload the turf at your home for a zero-touch handover. All you have to do is lay it, or if you want, our farmers can offer site preparation and laying services. Laying turf is easy, and you don't have to be experienced to get a good result. By following some easy steps, everyone from avid gardeners to first-time home improvers will find it easy to get a great lawn. For best results, get it laid immediately. Make sure there are no gaps when you lay the grass, and water your grass regularly for the first 2 to 4 weeks. Keep up a good routine and watch the magic happen. For more information on the laying process, how long until you can walk on your new lawn, and much more, have a look at the lawn tips section at our website www.myhomeTURF.com.au. This section can also answer any questions you may have on other lawn care advice such as mowing, fertilising and maintenance. Here are some before and after shots showing new lawns from myhomeTURF growers. With a large range of turf varieties to choose from and a friendly team, we love helping you choose the best lawn for your home, family, pets and lifestyle. And our farmers are always happy to answer any of your questions. Visit us online at myhomeTURF.com.au.